Ekera bono ensenkima ya Kenya gena tukabage guchengera rituko ria ebintu bito etanaine nigo rituko elio ase myaka 3 bonde nyareko bali konyora amonchorire maiga yokorwa ase rituko ria Moi Day gocha rituko ria Utamaduni Day nabo gocha ase rituko ria Huduma Day nigo bono ense ya Kenya nabo igo ya serikali nyarako Nchora litukio koba ya mazingira nene bintu biria bitu etanaine nanye nabo imeye skuru ya Pottters yegotoka ase yegotoka ya Pottters Haven yegotoka ime county ya Kisii iganyara kobage kwirali baga elio nago chengera lituko ya egekoro elia nyara kobali kwanekiwa ase skuru eyo ya Pottters Haven nigo haba bwatani besekta yechisemi banyara koba bago ikirana ase ganga enene yarengeho kwenana amaigero igoro yobuya bwokorenda egekoro nabo igo omorobire nyara koba wikirarirwa amono mo director bwa eskuru eyo Sharon nabo igo abagwatani bande abange hase boiga banyara koba wikirana banyara koba bakogokira kubwatikana na emeyega nabo igemerobire yanyara koba ge kubainyoria igoro ya egekoro kyomogusi
Asante directors, wakasi nunzuri. Asante kazi, wakasi nunzuri. Who do not exist, because culture is everything. Why do we celebrate Cultural Day? Number one is so that we can appreciate other culture. We can appreciate people from other cultures, so that our children can feel okay to belong in a given culture. Number two is for inclusivity of diversity within the culture. Different cultures have different beliefs, and they have a lot of things that they do in a different way. So we want our children, as they grow up, they get to appreciate each and every culture. Number three is a sense of belonging. Kuna watoto wengine hata ukiwauliza nyumbani ni wapi hawajui. Ukimuuliza wewe ni wa kabila gani haelewi na hafahamu. Sio kwamba tunataka ukabila, but we want them to appreciate where they come from and where they belong. And with those few remarks, I want to welcome my co-director to give us a word.